Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Hakim bin Mazhar. My matrix number is 2022600402, and I'm the leader of Group 2. And we are going to present Chapter 6 and 7, which is annuity and trade and cash discount.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alhanim binti Nur Alfian. Now we are at the second slide, which is table of content. We have a members, the history, the product or service, the targets, customer and marketing. Other than that, we want to discuss about the chapter 6 and the chapter 7. So, this is our presenter. The first one, which is the leader, Muhammad Amirul Hakim bin Mat Azhar. The second one is me, Nur Al-Hanim binti Nur Alfian. The third one is Arina Fatina binti Muhammad Fazwi. The third one is Naili Fatia binti Faizul Azwar. And the last one is Melissa Amanda Ong binti Adam Ong.
This is the history about our company. Bajukin as a company was founded by Muhammad Kin on 8 September 2010 in Seremban Negeri Sembilan. It was his dream to open his own boutique since he was a kid. In its early days, Bajukim started off as a textile wholesale supplier to small retailers around the town of Seremban. After a few years, Bajukim opened branch in Kuala Lumpur and finally, he has achieved his dream.
So, this is our address, which is located in Kuala Lumpur. The products and service that our company offers is about hijabs, clothes and pants. So our target customer is for women, university students, female office worker, housewife and teenagers.
So, if you want to know more about us, you can find us on our social media. We have Twitter, we have Instagram, we have Facebook, and email.
Hi, my name is Naili Fatia binti Faizul Azwa. Chapter 6, Annuity. This is the first question. The question is, the company bought a property for RM 650,000 with a 10% down payment. The balance is financed through a bank which charge an interest for 5% compounded monthly for 20 years. A. Find the monthly payment and interest charge. B. If the company has not paid the first monthly payment, how much should the company pay on the seventh payment to settle all outstanding arrears?
So, this is how I solve my question for annuity question 1. First of all, we have to find the present value, which is A. RM 650,000 ringgit times with 0.1 equals to 65,000 ringgit, and then 650,000 ringgit minus 65,000 equals to 585,000, which is the balance. It was the present value and it was the A. So I use this formula to find the monthly payment that the company pay, which is E equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I close bracket square root negative n divided by I close brackets. Okay, this is the information that I found that I put in the formula. So 585,000 equals to R brackets 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 close bracket and square root negative 240 divided by 0.05 divided by 12. For the square root negative 240, where I got it, it was from here. 20 times with 12 and then we got 240 months. Okay, when we calculate it, we got 585,000 ringgit equals to R in brackets 151.5253131. When we want to find the R, we have to the 585,000 ringgit divide by 151.5253131, and the answer for R was RM 3,860 ringgit 74 cents. And then we have to find the interest charge that the company have. The interest charge, I use this formula. I equals to NR minus A, and I put all the information I got in the formula, and I got 240 times with 3,860 ringgit 74 cents minus 585,000 ringgit, and the answer for the interest charge are RM 341,577 ringgit 60 cents. That's the answer for A. And then we proceed to the B. If the company has not paid the first 6 monthly payments, how much should the company pay on the 7th payment to settle all the outstanding areas? For this question, I use this formula. The formula are S equals to R brackets 1 plus I brackets square root n minus 1 divided by I close brackets. And this is the information I put in the formula. So S equal to 3,860 ringgit 74 cents in brackets 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 close bracket square root 7 negative 1 minus 1 and divided by 0.05 divided by 12, and then I got RM 27,365 ringgit 35 cents. That's the answer for my question. Thank you.
So this is question 2, annuity. And so let's read the question. In the meantime, the company deposit RM 2023.01% every 3 months into an investment that pays 8% compounded quarterly. Find the numbers of payment that must be made to accumulate to RM 500,000. So basically what the question asks is for us to find the numbers of payment. So let's use this formula over here. So S basically means accumulated value and R means deposit. So we're gonna put here the accumulated value is 500,000 and the deposit is 2023.01 cent. We're gonna put it here and just put everything this 0.08 per fourth. 0.08 is we get from the 8% over here, and 4 we get from compounded quarterly. And just the question must want us to find the numbers of payments, so we're gonna put n because we don't have the value, and it's gonna be algebra. So okay, and this how we do the equation. So 500,000 we divide it with 2023.01, and then we're gonna take this 1.02, which is basically already plus by 1, and we're gonna put it over here. Okay, and then after that we're gonna 1.02 just now we plus 1 over here because just now the negative 1 we move it to the other place, it's gonna turn to positive. So then the lastly we're gonna put ln, which is in front of here on both of these equation, and the final answer we're gonna get 90. So the answer is 90.
Hi, my name is Melissa Amanda Ong, binti Adam Ong. My question is question number 1 for chapter 7, trade and cash discounts. The company receives an invoice dated 15 March 2022 for 10,000 ringgit. This amount includes a handling charge of 200. The trade discounts offered are 10% and 8%, and Cash discount terms are 5 per 10, 3 per 20, and N per 60. Find A, the single trade discount rate equivalent to the trade discounts given. So we are going to use the single trade discount formula. This is the formula, and then we are going to sub the percent into it. R equals to 1 minus bracket 1 minus 0.10 bracket times bracket 1 minus 0.08. Then we get 0.172, but we need to make the answer into percent, so we need to times 100, so we get 70.2%. So for the question B is the last day to receive the 3% cash discount. For to find the last day, we need to take 15 March 2022 plus with 20. To find the rest of the day of March, you need to take 31 minus 15, then we will get 16. Then we will minus 16, we will take 20 minus with 16, then we will get 4. So the last day will be 4th April 2022 to get the 3% discount. For C, the amount paid is the invoice is paid on 2nd April 2022. The day within 15 March 2022 to 2nd April 2022 is 18 days. To find the real amount, we need to take 10,000 minus with 200, because the 200 is a handling charge includes in the 10,000. So when we minus, we will get 9,800. So the 9,800 we will times with 1 bracket 1 minus 0.10 bracket, and then we will times with 1 minus 0.08, and then bracket 1 minus 0.03. This the 0.10 and 0.08 is from the question percent. The 0.03 is from the 3%, because it's not more than 20 days, so we can still get the 3% discount. So when we times together, we get 7,870.97 cents. So but it's not a final answer. We need to plus with 200, because it's the handling charge included in the 10,000. So we will, when we plus, we will get 80,070.97 cents. That's all. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Arina Fatina binti Mu'fazwi. So I will move to the next question of Chapter 7, Trade and Cash Discount. So the question is, the list price of a product is 2,000 ringgit. After deducting trade discount of 14%, 7% and 8%, the net price is 1,542 ringgit 61 cents. So find the X. Okay, so we'll list down the formula first, and P equals to L 1 minus R1, 1 minus R2 and 1 minus R3, since it has 3% here. So the first time we will list down the net price. So the net price is 1,542 ringgit 61 cents. So the list price is, this one R is the trade discount. So L list price is 2,000 ringgit. So in bracket we will put down 1 minus 0.14% in bracket 1 minus 0.077% and 1 minus X, because we don't know the X and we want to find the X. Okay, so the next one we will move down to here, and this one 1,542 ringgit 61 cents divide to in bracket, because we want to times it, 2,000 times 1 minus the percent, this 2%, and 1 minus X will move down here, and then the X we will move it to this place, and X equals to 1 minus 1,540 ringgit 61 cents and divide to this. So we'll get the answer. X is 0.035, and we will so this one we will change it to the percent, so we get down this one 3.5%. So the final answer is 3.5%. So this is our tagline. Business opportunities are like buses. There are always another one coming, from our CEO Muhammad Kim. So this is our summary. At Baju Kim, we believe in giving 110%. We always work together and share our opinion in any ideas on how to grow our company. As our CEO say, efficiencies will come from proactively transforming on how we do business. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you for listening and do visit us for any inquiries. Do visit us at our website.